Welcome back to another video, guys. In this video, we're working on this Mercedes GLA 2.1 diesel. It's the 2016 2.1 diesel engine. Has been around for years and years, so this fault code will probably go on from 2005-6 all the way to 2022-23. So we've got P047214 exhaust back pressure sensor has a short circuit, and if you're getting the engine management light on and it's in lit mode, I'm not talking about this fault code here at the bottom, that's a different story, but I'm talking about the top one. Now on this engine, I'll guide you as to where it is, and I shall point out where the sensor is, but it's not always going to be that sensor, but 90% of the time it is. Before you do anything, personal advice, so I'll locate it as well. Okay, that's the engine cover. It's this sensor here, this one here. So if I pull it out, it's really easy to change. But most likely, sometimes, what I've known from experience, it's not the sensor, it's actually the fact in there it's heavily clogged. So personal advice would be take the sensor off, look in it, give it a clean if you can. There's carbon clean, there's many different ways of cleaning it. You can, best option would be, if you're very handy, is to take off all this and give it a clean. Other alternative would be, obviously I'm not advising on this, it's up to you, is a remap. It'll probably cost you anywhere between 100 quid all the way to 200 to 50 depending on who does it. But that's where the sensor is, guys. And if I can get, I mean, some of you will probably ask for the part number, so if I can zoom in, there it is, guys. So if you can concentrate on that, and we highly recommend genuine OEM sensor. If not, you're probably going to be in the same boat again, guys. So don't go cheap, because you're going to cost yourself like hours of labours. But that's where that is, and that's what that is. Once you've done it, it's just a case of reset. Maybe reset the adaptions, but unlikely. Just do a full scan and clear, done, dusted. But that's where it is, guys.